Hello, this is Mamta Sahota. I know you are waiting for my video. I'm here in Edmonton, Alberta today, flying all the way just for you to see what product you're going to be buying now. So let's just invest in Edmonton right now. Huge investment opportunity. I have this project starting from high 400. These are beautiful towns coming over here. It's going to be a huge community, and you are buying your unit in the first phase with me. Huge, you're getting a really nice extended deposit structure, 2-year rental guarantee. These towns are amazing. Look at the huge windows. Look at the nice finishes. You'll get your nice rooftop terraces along with the fire pits. And this area is amazing. This is 45-acre lot project, and you're investing in the first phase. Just 2-minute walk from here. There's a mall, Center Mall, and you can get anything from there. Your groceries, your spa, anything is there. And then 2 minutes walk, you can get to the lake. There are going to be many walking trails here in this area. So this is the project where you will be investing, because 2-year rental guarantee is included. Property management is included for you. First year condo fee is waived off for you. So let's just invest together. Give me a call right now at 647-532-3000.